Odoo Inventory Management stands out as a robust tool for businesses aiming to enhance their inventory processes. This video delves into best practices and tips to harness the full potential of Odoo Inventory Management, ensuring optimal efficiency and productivity for your business. Warehouse Management. Maximizing efficiency. Making sure your warehouse runs super smooth is a big deal. With Odoo Warehouse Management Thingy, you can keep a real-time eye on how much stuff you have, using features like scanning barcodes, automatic picking routes, and smart ways to store things. It helps cut down mistakes, makes handling stuff faster, and ramps up how much work gets done. Demand forecasting. Customer satisfaction through accuracy. Using Odoo Call demand forecasting feature can help you guess how much stuff people will buy in the future based on what they bought before. This will guide you to have just enough stuff in stock, save money on storing it, and make sure customers always get what they want on time. It's like magic for keeping customers happy by never running out of stuff. Purchasing. Automate and optimize. Make Odoo inventory work with purchase management to make buying stuff easier. It helps with orders, keeps an eye on how good suppliers are, and handles relationships with them well. Increased visibility. Centralized control. Odoo helps you keep track of all your stuff in one place, so you can see what's going on at any time, no matter where or how you sell things. Inventory cost optimization. Enhancing profitability. Save money on stuff by not keeping too much around, don't buy too much, and always have what people want. Doing this not only makes you more money, but also makes customers happier. Mobile accessibility. On-the-go management. In today's fast-paced business environment, Odoo's mobile apps enable on-the-go access to critical inventory information, empowering teams to make informed decisions and ensuring optimized inventory processes. Automation and workflow optimization. Leverage Odoo's automation capabilities to streamline repetitive tasks and optimize workflow processes. Automation, from stock replenishment notifications to scheduled reporting. For consultation on optimizing your inventory management in Odoo, connect with our certified consultants. We're committed to helping you streamline processes and contribute to your business's success. For more info on Odoo, visit our website, www.o2btechnologies.com, or contact us info@o2btechnologies.com. O2B, a certified partner to Odoo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.